How Oriental rug should be clean from dog, cat, urine, odor. Who can clean my Oriental rug the right way? Hello, my name is Mayor Martin. I am the owner, the inventor of PetPeePee Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat urine odor. I invented a cleaning process and built a machine that's clean Oriental rug different from the rest.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
What is more important to the customer, the price or the result upon delivery? If the price is the only thing then it's on your mind and you don't care about how the rug will come back to you, PetPeePee is not the address. If you're looking for a guarantee urine odor removal and the lowest price comparing apple to apple, PetPeePee, it's a guarantee in writing urine odor removal completely. We never use no deodorize to mask the urine odor that's left inside the rug or to cover the smell of the chemical caused by the enzyme or the detergent. Most of the cleaning product in the market contain a very strong smell of chemicals. To cover them, to make the rug smell good, you must use deodorize. We at PetPeePee never use deodorizer. We never have any cleaning product in our facility that contain odor. I invented the Dead Sea Cleaner, odor-free, and remove the urine odor, stamped by the Mother Nature. Every Oriental rug that I receive, from 20 pound to 600 pound, it doesn't matter how big is the rug, I guarantee total urine odor removal. Take a look at this 80 years old Persian Oriental rug. I clean it several times already to the lady in Georgia. She sent me the rug because she having several dogs. So I vacuumed the rug first from the hair, and then the rug was laid on the vacuum floor. After I vacuumed the rug, I close all the open area and I prepare the rug for the wet cleaning. We never use a scrubber because scrubber designed to clean a floor mat of front of Home Depot, not a Persian rug. When we start the cleaning process, nobody touched the rug in this moment because any movement on the rug will make the color run. And Mrs. Rosenberg in Georgia, she is not going to send me any more rugs. So I cleaned the rug and the tube shows me what is in the rug in real time. All the pee-pee, the dog saliva, the cleaning product the customer used, all of them combined together go through the rug by the natural odor-free cleaning product and fall down to the pen. And the pump send everything to the sewage, all the yellow. On the way to the sewage, I look at the tube and I know how bad is the rug. And I'm waiting for the rug to be clear. When the rug is clean, the Oriental rug is clean. After the vacuum, extract everything through the rug. Through the rug. It's so important because all the urine crystal laid in the middle of the rug, between the top of the rug to the bottom of the rug, where is all the nuts. There is the urine crystal. So you can send it to any carpet cleaner to clean your Oriental rug by using scrubber, centrifuge machine, but always you're going to have a urine crystal because nobody clean Oriental rug through the rug. After we finish cleaning the rug, some of the rug will be vacuumed by hand. Some of them we never touch it, depend on the type of the rug. And when we complete, the rug will stay on the floor for the next 12 hours till the next morning, and then we hang the rug. Now the rug ready for shipping. Upon delivery, upon receiving the rug, I ask every one of my customers, please go on your knees, put your nose wherever you want. Guarantee no trace of urine odor or chemical smell. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today. I promise you can have tango on the rug. Thank you for watching PetPeePee.